So this excavator is equipped with a RotoTilt system on here. The RotoTilt provides 360 degrees of rotation and 40 degrees of tilt for the attachments that go on here. So this unit has a high flow circuit on it, and it has a medium pressure circuit here on the back. So the high flow lines actually go around the RotoTilt for attachments like the tamper and the mulcher. So the hoses will actually go through this support. There's a pin here with a clip. Keeps your hoses contained going around the RotoTilt. And then on the very back here, we have two disconnects for our medium pressure. Plug in. This medium pressure will control things like the open and close of the tamper. It controls the door on the mulcher, the low flow features like that are on our attachments. And then your high flow connections are actually up here on the boom. So we have the connection on either side that you plug in for your high flow disconnects going to the RotoTilt. We do have several grease fittings around the RotoTilt, your pins, your hinge pins, your cylinders, just daily greasing like you would with the rest of the machine.